Hello! In this video, we are going to talk about the passive voice in English. This is brought to you by Centro de Idiomas María Cano. Passive voice. Use it to emphasize an action or a condition. Who or what caused the action or condition is not important or not known. Or sometimes it is assumed to be general knowledge. Here we have two sentences. The first one is active voice, and the second one is passive voice. The first one, I made an announcement for my class. In passive voice, an announcement for the class was made by me. In the first one, the subject is important. In active voice, we mention the subject, but in passive voice, who or what caused the action is not important. In this case, I said by me, but we can omit this part because the person who or the action that caused the condition is not important. You just need to remember the structure. Number one, the verb to be. In present, am, is, are, or in past, was, were. Number two, a verb in past participle. Regular verbs end in ed, and the irregular verbs have their own past participle form. Check the dictionary to see the verb forms. Number three, all the tenses change according to the structure. Make sure you check the tenses, the chart in the next slide. So here we have some more examples. Rice is grown in China and some American countries. The Eiffel Tower was built in 1887. A bear was found in a parking lot last night. Let's see the tenses. Here we have tenses. We have present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future simple, and future with be going to. This is just a name. If you remember, these are like very basic tenses, right? This is active voice and this is passive voice. Remember that in active voice, you always have a subject, a verb, and an object, right? But in passive voice, the important part is the object, then the use of the verb to be, and a verb in past participle, okay? So the examples, I find a bear in the park. This is present simple. A bear is found in the park. So this is the verb to be in present, and this is the past participle of the verb to find. Let's continue with present continuous. I am finding a brown bear in the park. A brown bear is being found in the park. So we can see the verb to be in gerund here, and this the verb in past participle, okay? Then we have past simple. I baked a banana cake yesterday. A banana cake was baked yesterday. Past continuous. I was baking a strawberry pie last week. A strawberry pie was being baked last week. In present perfect. I have bought a new car. Notice that the subject here is I, and then a new car has been bought. Here we use this form of the auxiliary have according to this, okay? A new car has been bought. So the person is not important. Past perfect. They had built all those houses. Those houses had been built. I miss the period here. Then we have future simple. We will do homework next week. Homework will be made next week. In future, with be going to, I'm going to read this book. This book will be read. Okay? So we have will, then be in future, and the verb in past participle. Right? So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have found this very useful for you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another video.